Question number 116. A phytohormone which does not allow nearby lateral or axillary buds to grow. Which is this phytohormone? This phytohormone is auxin. So this auxin, it does not allow nearby lateral or the axillary buds to grow because it shows apical dominance. When auxin is present, the apical growth takes place and it inhibits the growth of the lateral or the axillary buds. So this hormone stimulates shoot formation on stem cuttings. No, it stimulates root formation on stem cuttings. Second, was first isolated from fungus Gibberella fugicori. No, this statement is true for the gibberellins. Auxin was first isolated from human urine. Third one, it inhibits abscission of young leaves. It is true for the auxin that auxin inhibits abscission of young leaves, whereas it promotes the abscission of the older leaves. Fourth one, it is the only gaseous hormone. No, ethylene is the only gaseous hormone, not the auxin. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 117. During seed germination of which plant the hypocotyle grows first? When the seed germination is apigeal, the hypocotyle grows first. What is apigeal seed germination? When the seed comes out of the soil or above the ground, this is apigeal germination. Geal is ground, epi means above. So above the ground, if seed is present, this is apigeal. And in this condition, hypocotyle grows first, which pushes the cotyledons to come out of the soil. So this happens in onion. And in other options, maize, gram and mango, they show hypogeal germination where epicotyle grows first. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 118. Abscisic acid is also known as stress hormone because ABA or the abscisic acid, it is stress hormone because the synthesis of ABA is stimulated by the adverse environmental conditions. When environmental conditions are adverse or the not favorable for the plants, the synthesis of ABA increases or stimulated. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. What about the other options? It closes the stomata present on the stem. No. Rarely stomata can be seen on the stem. Third one, it promotes loss of water through leaves and increases water stress. No, it tries to reduce the water stress by closing these stomata on the leaves. Fourth one, it inhibits dormancy of seeds. No, it promotes the dormancy of seeds. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 119. Pollen grains are the carrier of male gametes for. Pollen grains can be seen in two plant groups, gymnosperms as well as angiosperms. Angiosperms are vascular plants. Spermatophytes means seed-bearing plants. Vascular plants are also known as tracheophytes. They are non-archegoniates because they lack archegonia. They are embryophytes. What about the gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are vascular tracheophyte, spermatophytes, but archegoniates as they have archegonia. This is the difference between gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Embryophytes, yeah, it's common for both. Now, all vascular embryophytes? No, because all vascular embryophytes include pteridophytes also. Pteridophytes do not have pollen grains. So this is not the correct one. Non-archegoniate spermatophytes, yes, non-archegoniate. Angiosperms are non-archegoniates. They lack archegonia and they are spermatophytes, seed-bearing. So this is correct. C1, archegoniate spermatophytes, yes, gymnosperms are archegoniates and spermatophytes. This is correct. All tracheophytes means all vascular plants, which includes again pteridophytes. So this is not correct. So B and C. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Question number 120. Select the incorrect match. Coconut monoecious. Yes, coconut is monoecious as both the sex organs are present on the same plant. Date palm, dioecious. It is also true that the date palm is dioecious because male and the female sex organs are present on the separate plant bodies. Third, China rose, unisexual flowers. No, China rose has bisexual flowers, male and female sex organs in the same flower. P has bisexual flowers. It is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question.